Hello and welcome to Box, where we unbox, review and demonstrate the latest tech. Today we have with us this Razer DeathAdder V2 HyperSpeed wireless gaming mouse.
Getting it out of the box, you instantly get access to the mouse alongside a battery and a user guide. Like all Razer mice in the past, it's still incredibly ergonomic, lightweight and user-friendly. Taking the top of the mouse away, you'll find that it can take two different types of battery. That's either a double or a AAA. Alongside the battery cavity sits a USB dongle for plugging in either the monitor or your PC for uninterrupted connection in games in general use. Of course, checking the underside that not only lets you turn it off, but also has a Bluetooth pairing mode, eliminating the use of the dongle completely. Plugging in the USB dongle, I get the prompt to download the relevant software such as Razor Synapse for customizing this mouse alongside any other Razer products I have, as well as registering for an ID for a more connected experience. Now, I didn't try out the Bluetooth mode, but for dongle connection I got an instant link and incredible sensitivity and responsiveness, which I was happy with.
The DeathAdder mouse has been a fan favourite for decades, and with this newest iteration there's no wavering on those standards. Now, you still get that iconic ergonomic look, but now with faster wireless connectivity and even more buttons to play with.
The design is beautifully simple but very precise. It fits comfortably even in my slightly larger hand, and my fingers nestle into the carefully carved out grooves in the most natural way. Now you get a whole abundance of buttons to play with here, with the usual left and right clicks surrounding a scroll wheel in the centre, on top of having access to the additional buttons where your thumb would rest, and two sensitivity controls nestled in the corner of the main left button. And just on top in the centre, there is a small LED to help you know when it's connected. It also has a colour code system in place for a visual confirmation on the sensitivity level that you have active. Of course, if you're not sure which is which, you can refresh your memory on the colour code within the Synapse menu.
Unfortunately, you'll find no RGB lighting on this top-of-the-line gaming mouse. If you check out the Razer website, you can choose from their impressive ever-growing collection of officially licensed designs to custom create your own look to match your setup perfectly.
Though these buttons may not be used by the casual gamer, these can be assigned to give you even more control in game, and can make the fraction of a difference between winning or losing in serious competition. The Razer Synapse app really comes in handy here. It's the ultimate custom workshop, choosing specific buttons and making detailed changes right down to the function and sensitivity. It's great for making the mouse work to your preferred game style, and I like how I can save it to different profiles if I need multiple setups. From here you can also activate Hypershift mode to add another layer of functions on top of the existing ones to build up the functions in your arsenal, for a much quicker, more intuitive switch between shortcuts, media and programs. Now it's ready to go, let's see how well it plays. Instantly, I love how smooth and accurate the movement is. It's great for whipping around in game to catch my opponents sneaking up on me, and I love how precise I can get when aiming at long range using a sniper. Now the click isn't too distracting and the sound is hardly noticeable, as you can see demonstrated here. I quite like the grooves for my fingers as it saves any slip-ups, and the texture is comfortable overall for long periods of use.
The most reassuring part about this mouse is this endless amount of honest testimonies from esports pros, championing this mouse as their tried and tested favourite, which is great to know that if this mouse is good enough for the pros, it can definitely take my gaming to the next level.
Now, I played a few rounds of Splitgate with this mouse, and I could see a noticeable difference to anything I've tried before. As a new Razer mouse user, I can easily see the change in how quickly I can get around in game, with the mouse matching every move I make. Clicks are instantaneous with my gunshots, meaning I'm the only one who can blame myself for missing a shot. I can see how gamers can trust this brand after so many years. Even playing for a short amount of time, I found no faults here. It's a great extension to my own instincts, letting me play just as good as my best game. Overall, it's a brilliant piece of kit. It works great with my other Razer accessories, and I love the general ergonomic design. It fits comfortably in my hand, and the sensitivity on offer is unreal. It powers using two types of batteries, so I know I can keep it powered up in different ways, and I like how I can connect with both USB and Bluetooth, so nothing can fail me getting to my game. It's another brilliant iteration of the Razer DeathAdder range, enhancing gameplay to better match my abilities.
So what do you think of the Razer DeathAdder V2 HyperSpeed wireless gaming mouse? Let us know in the comments below, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Box, where we have plenty of hands-on reviews on the latest tech. And as always, thanks for watching.